Hi everyone! Today we are giving a second life to a dress that has been sitting in the back of my closet for way too long. We will be turning it into a light, comfortable, sleeveless summer dress. Our goal is to remove the sleeves, deepen the neckline, and finish the edges so neatly that it looks like a brand new store-bought dress. Let's get started. First, we need to do a quick fitting. Right on the model, we will decide how deep the new neckline should be and mark that exact spot with a pin. This will keep our proportions perfectly on track. And now for the most satisfying part. We are cutting off the sleeves and completely removing the old neckline binding. There is no going back now. We are ready for the makeover. To make sure our new neckline is perfectly symmetrical, fold the dress in half. Align the shoulder seams carefully. The front and back pieces need to lie completely flat and match up. Trace the folded neckline one more time and carefully cut away the excess fabric. The armholes are already aligned and the depth is perfect, so we do not need to change them. We will just trim the edges slightly to make them nice and smooth. Now here's a quick tip that a lot of people skip, and then they wonder why their edges end up wavy. We are going to run a stay stitch along the raw edges of the neckline and armholes, using a stitch length of 5 to 6 millimeters. This holds the fabric in place and keeps it from stretching out while we work. Definitely do not skip this if you want a clean finish. For the finish, we are using a 3 centimeter wide bias tape. Let's sew it on. For the neckline, start at the shoulder seam, sew all the way around, and join the ends right back at the shoulder. For the armholes, we will start stitching from the side seam. We will sew the ends of the bias tape together at an angle, just like you see on the screen. This is a great way to avoid bulky seams. Wrap the bias tape over the seam allowance to create a clean binding, and stitch it down, keeping the inner edge free. Then, carefully trim the excess bias tape close to the stitches. This will get rid of any extra bulk. Next up is pressing, which is absolutely essential. Press the bias tape to the inside of the dress, gently shaping it with your iron so it sits completely flat along the curves. Here is another simple trick. I am threading the top of my machine with white thread to match the tape, but keeping green thread in the bobbin to match the dress. We will stitch from the bias tape side. Doing it this way allows the machine's feed dogs to slightly ease the main fabric underneath, so everything lays perfectly flat without any puckering. Let's give it one last press. Look at how clean and neat the inside looks now. The final result is great. There is no pulling or stretching, and the new sleeveless dress fits beautifully. If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other sewing tutorials and upcycling ideas. Let me know in the comments how you like this quick makeover.